Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to lock Pinterest board. So first of all, as you can see right here, this is the interface of the app. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on saved at the bottom right corner and you're going to see pins in boards. Just go ahead and click on this board, for example, and click the three dots at the top right here. You're going to see edit board, merge, and archive. Right, you have one of the options to archive the board, and by archiving the board they will hide it from your profile and won't be able to save pins to it. If you change your mind, you can restore it at the bottom of your profile below your active boards. So if you want to do that, that's one option, or you can just go ahead and click the three dots again, click edit board, and basically you can hide this board and only you and collaborators will see this board, and just toggle this one on, and basically that's it, and hit done to apply the settings. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.